Here we go. Young Molly Rowdy, KY, baby, 502.
Top of the head. It's just one of them days. Yeah, I wake up thinking I gotta get paid.
Yeah.
Ah, man, it's just one of them days.
Just one.
I'm thinking to myself, gotta get paid.
Hey.
Man, this is one of them days.
It's just one.
I'm mad cause I still ain't got paid.
Nah.
Nigga owe me some money, I'ma tell him. I can't help in my life with drug deals.
They don't see me cause I'm grimy. They need to fucking sign me. Why the fuck they ain't find me, man? I'm out here grinding. I never sleep, man. I put it on my peaks, man. I rep the CAP until I'm 6 feet deep in shit, man. That's what I do.
Shit. Why the fuck you always going to fuck that nigga's bitch?
Why?
Now he's mad at me and he's calling on my phone like, what's up with your homeboy, hoes? I'm like, man, my homeboy fuck hoes. That's just what he do. It ain't my fault that your bitch wanna fuck the crew. Nope. I'm like, goddamn bitch, what the fuck it do? You wanna throw that pussy out and I'ma throw that dick to you.
Man, this is what I'm gonna do. I watch it bounce from the back. I put that 9 inches in and have it bounce back like Trump. I attack with that Mac, explode in your face. Man, I'm coming overloaded and I'm told in that way. Put that tone in your face if you fuck with a G. Ain't no way no one in your clique is fucking with me. No Ice-T, boy, just CAP. Until I reach my fucking grave, that's what I'ma be.
Hey, it's just one of them days. I wake up thinking I gotta get paid. It's just one of them days. I'm a monster, nigga, I'm made. It's just one of them days. Thinking to myself, I just gotta get blazed. It's just one of them days. Drinking piece of rock on the block, what it do? All the bad bitches flock to my crew. I guess that I'm acting brand new, but I'm in an old school. But fuck them bitches anyway, I'm on Pro Tools. So now my voice is going all across the world. All the girls tell me that they want this dope dick. I told them that they should go and find some. You can get this dope dick, but you gon' pay a ransom. I mean, if you take my shit for ransom, all the bad bitches sound handsome. Kim Kardashian got that bitch stashing pills, told the bitch to break it down. Every time I come in town, fuck that bitch from the back, and she let all my rounds hit that shit from the back. Man, you know it's going down.
I laid it down like this. She said she wants some white dick. These haters online said we write this. Motherfuckers top off the head. These motherfuckers come up, we pop off that bread. You know what I said, you listen to words, you hear what I speak, you know it's absurd. You blur for the vision of the smoke that you hit. You know that you ain't close to the shit. Know that I rip everything that I touch. You wanna fuck with me, but you can't get enough, cause I ain't an man. It take like 10 of them, trying to get them all on the rap on my emblem. Shit.
Oh, it's just one of them days. Thinking to myself, I gotta get paid. It's just one of them days. Call up Bernie Mac, you know I need a fresh fade. It's just one of them days.